Sagar Cheema, my first question is to you, sir. How bad is the current situation in Pakistan from Gilgit-Baltistan to Balochistan across Sindh, KPK and Pakistan's Punjab province?
Well, I think this is a very unfortunate situation where Pakistan was combating with the traditional security challenges in the country in the last decade, and now we are facing these non-traditional security challenges in terms of floods and unexpected spells of the monsoon. So the situation in the northern areas and particularly the southern areas is bad, as the government doesn't have a proper infrastructure when it comes to the storage of the water. So normally the water goes into the towns, cities, and the people who get in front of the water, the cities and the crops and the major chunk of the grains which is for the society, that all gets washed away. So as the government says that more than 33 million people are affected, but that is not a sufficient data, because the data has come from the National Disaster Management Authority. There is a probability that the number is much bigger than that, because and the government and the political parties, since the house is divided, Imran Khan, who runs Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab, where there are floods, he doesn't have the government in the center, and those who have the government in the center, they don't have the government in the provinces. So the government is not in sync as far as the rehabilitation work is concerned.
Okay.
But the rescue work was done by the police, by the army, and by other institutions. Unfortunately, the political rallies was started in Pakistan. Because of that, the political parties and the politicians didn't pay much attention to the floods earlier, and when they saw massive floods came in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab, they paid attention to that. So we could have avoided much of the situation had the bureaucracy and the politicians have paid attention. But
Stay
this
with
is
me
a
for a
very
moment.
serious situation.
Sudheendra Kulkarni, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences. He wished Pakistan returns to normalcy as quickly as possible. In your view, is that sufficient response, at least as of now?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done what is really required of India by sending a very heartfelt message of condolences and also solidarity to the people of Pakistan in this hour of crisis. If you see the Pakistani social media, Modi ji's message has been very warmly received. There is a term in Hindi, Padosi ka dharm, the dharm or the duty of neighbor. It is the duty of India to come to the aid of Pakistan when the worst floods have been witnessed in Pakistan in known history. We have seen that many countries have rushed to help Pakistan. India and Pakistan are closest neighbors that one can think of. So Prime Minister Modi should follow up after the message that he has sent by rushing aid in terms of food, medicines and all other relief rehabilitation material to Pakistan.
Okay.
Not just the government of India, even the people should rush. You know, just this morning, I got a call from a doctor in Pune. He said that we have a 10-member team of doctors that want to go to Pakistan. Can we get visa? There are so many such people in civil society in India that want to help Pakistan. A friend in
that
need,
is the goodness of our heart.
similarly, a nation in need.
I so completely agree with you.